we're trying an experiment where each of us is going to express something going on with us in our lives in 2 sentences. And first, we'll think the sentences to ourselves, then we'll do it in just sound and movement, both sentences, and then we'll do the same again, expressing in sound and movement, but adding some words. And we'll see how that works as a form of embodied empathy, but as the teller rather than as the listener, the speaker. Oh. I've had something weird going on with my heart and a woozy head, and for 2 months and seeing doctors and still don't know what it is, but since yesterday noon, I have felt normal. God, that feels good.
So it's beautiful empathy with yourself, and I feel an impulse for us to do something in response to acknowledge you.
What would you do?
Just some sound and movement for both of us at the same time, or just a movement.
Okay, I'm watching. Yeah, thanks for your concern. Just to say, it's been fluctuating, so the fact that I feel fine for a day doesn't mean it's handled, but I'm enjoying it. All right.
So for continuing the theme of checking in about health things,
Although it would be nice to have different demo.
there's value to both.
Okay, go for it. There's something you want to say.
Oh. My poor hands with arthritis or whatever it is. Thank goodness for these compression gloves so I can actually type.
Are you hearing the noise in the background, Kat? You are.
I'm muting so you can go.
Okay. What? I thought we were going to talk about the offer. Okay, I'm glad we got an offer. I'm just going to let go. Thank you.